What if you could save time, eat healthier, and reduce daily stress, all with one simple habit? That's the power of meal prepping. Instead of deciding what to eat every day, you plan once and stay on track all week. In this video, you'll discover 7 powerful meal prepping tips that will help you stay consistent, avoid unhealthy choices, and make your weekly routine easier and more productive. 7. Build a weekly blueprint. Turn chaos into structure. Meal prepping begins long before cooking. It starts with planning. Without a clear weekly blueprint, even the best intentions fail. You need to analyze your schedule. Busy days, lighter days, workout routines, and social commitments. This planning stage defines how many meals you need, what type of meals fit your goals, and how much time you can dedicate to preparation. It also includes writing a precise grocery list, which reduces unnecessary purchases and prevents last-minute unhealthy substitutions. 6. Design meals for efficiency, not complexity. One of the biggest misconceptions about healthy eating is that it requires complicated recipes. In reality, complexity often leads to inconsistency. Meal prepping works best when meals are simple, repeatable, and easy to scale. Instead of cooking something new every day, you prepare a few core components: proteins, carbohydrates, and vegetables that can be combined in different ways. This modular approach reduces cooking time and mental effort. It also ensures that you don't get overwhelmed, which is one of the main reasons people abandon meal prepping after a short time. Efficiency is the foundation of sustainability. 5. Prioritize nutritional balance over restriction. Many people approach meal prepping with a restrictive mindset, cutting calories aggressively or eliminating entire food groups. This often leads to burnout and cravings. A more effective approach is to focus on balance. Each meal should contain adequate protein for satiety and muscle repair, carbohydrates for energy, and healthy fats for hormonal balance and long-term health. When your meals are nutritionally complete, your body functions better, your energy levels stabilize, and your cravings decrease naturally. 4. Batch cooking as a time leverage strategy. Time is one of the biggest barriers to healthy eating. Meal prepping solves this through batch cooking, where you prepare multiple meals in one session instead of cooking daily. This approach transforms cooking from a repetitive daily task into a strategic weekly activity. You invest a few hours once or twice a week and save significant time on busy days. Batch cooking also reduces mental friction. When you come home tired, the effort required to eat healthy is almost zero because the food is already prepared. This is where meal prepping becomes powerful. It aligns convenience with health instead of working against it. 3. Portion control becomes a built-in system. One of the most overlooked benefits of meal prepping is automatic portion control. When you prepare meals in advance, you decide the portion sizes ahead of time, eliminating guesswork. This is crucial for managing calorie intake without constant tracking. Overeating often happens when portions are unclear or when food is consumed directly from large containers. Pre-portioned meals create boundaries, helping you maintain consistency without relying on willpower. Over time, this trains your body to adapt to appropriate portion sizes, making healthy eating feel natural rather than forced. 2. Environment control eliminates bad choices. Your environment plays a major role in your eating habits. When unhealthy options are easily available, it becomes difficult to resist them, especially during moments of stress or fatigue. Meal prepping changes your environment by making healthy food the easiest option. When your fridge is filled with ready-to-eat nutritious meals, the need to order fast food or snack on processed items decreases significantly. This is a key psychological advantage. Instead of fighting cravings with discipline, you remove the triggers that cause them. Healthy behavior becomes automatic when the environment supports it. 1. Creates long-term discipline and lifestyle transformation. The most powerful benefit of meal prepping is not physical, it is behavioral. It builds discipline, consistency, and forward-thinking habits. By preparing meals in advance, you train yourself to think beyond the present moment. You begin to prioritize long-term health over short-term convenience. Over time, this mindset extends into other areas of life: productivity, fitness, time management, and even financial habits. Meal prepping becomes more than a routine. It becomes a system for self-control and growth. This is why people who master meal prepping often find it easier to maintain other positive habits. Extended insight. The science behind why meal prepping works. Meal prepping aligns with behavioral science principles. Humans tend to choose the easiest available option, especially when tired or stressed. By preparing meals in advance, you make the healthy choice the easiest choice. It also reduces decision fatigue. Studies show that the more decisions people make in a day, the worse their choices become over time. Meal prepping removes repeated food decisions, preserving mental energy for more important tasks. Additionally, consistency in meal timing and composition helps regulate metabolism, stabilize blood sugar levels, and improve overall energy balance. An advanced strategy: how to make meal prepping. Sustainability is key. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on consistency. Start with prepping just a few meals per week and gradually increase as it becomes part of your routine. Rotate ingredients occasionally to avoid boredom, but keep the core structure the same. Invest in proper storage containers to maintain food quality and freshness. Most importantly, treat meal prepping as a system, not a one-time effort. Systems create habits, and habits create results. Meal prepping is one of the most effective strategies for building a healthier lifestyle because it removes uncertainty, reduces effort, and creates structure. It turns healthy eating from a daily challenge into a predictable routine. By planning ahead, simplifying meals, focusing on balance, and controlling your environment, you create a system that supports your goals automatically. In the long run, success is not about motivation, it is about systems. And meal prepping is one of the simplest yet most powerful systems you can build for your health. Now you know how meal prepping can transform your entire week, saving time, improving your diet, and keeping you consistent with your goals. The key is starting simple and building the habit step by step. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button for more practical health and lifestyle advice. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.